Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I don't even know when I stopped feeling like myself? You are still showing up, still smiling, still taking care of everyone else. But somewhere inside, you were wondering, where did I go? You are still getting things done, taking care of the people you love, and being the strong one everyone depends on. But somewhere deep inside, there's this quiet question that keeps coming up. Where did that woman go? The woman who laughed easily, dreamed freely, had hobbies she loved, and did things simply because they brought her joy. I want you to remember something. Today, she did not disappear. She's still there. Life got busy though. Responsibilities grew, and everyone else's needs became louder. Somewhere along the way, your needs quietly moved into the background. Ayurveda reminds us that balance is created through the way we care for ourselves every day, not only through what we eat or how we move, but through the moments that reconnect us with ourselves. Maybe it was the music you stopped playing, the creativity you put aside, the dreams you stopped talking about, or the quiet moments you stopped giving yourself permission to enjoy. Those things matter. Your coming back to yourself isn't about becoming a different woman, it's about remembering the woman you've always been. So today, ask yourself, what is one part of me I want to welcome back? Start there because she's still there. Let's help her find her way back home. If this message connected with you, subscribe and join me as we continue this coming back to yourself journey together. Until next time, take care of yourself because you matter too.